Hi everyone. So some information from the weekly readings for this past week for discussion board 2. According to the Society for Human Resource Management, a job analysis is the process of studying a job to determine which activities and responsibilities it includes, its relative importance to other jobs, the qualifications necessary for performance of the job, and the conditions under which the work is performed. This information is often used to determine training and development in certain jobs, what certain jobs requires, as well as a compensation administration for the job. This is important information for organizations to acquire as it allows them to correctly assign roles to the appropriate job. Typically, a job analysis is done of one or two approaches. One would be the task-oriented approach, and another would be the worker-oriented approach. The task-oriented approach focuses mainly on the tasks that are needed to be performed by the workers as they are examined and compiled into a detailed task list that the job will require. While the worker-oriented approach focuses more on the knowledge, skills, and abilities and other attributes, otherly known as KSAOs, needed from the employee to perform the job successfully. The information for the job analysis is typically gathered using one of three methods. The observation method, 2, the interview method, and 3, the questionnaire method. By using one of these three methods, HR management can accurately or is able to accurately acquire the data for comprehensive job analysis, which will allow for an organization to know what to expect of a certain position and help them decide what is the best fit for that position. Current job analysis for my current job, so the job family I am in as a maintenance operator. My job currently is the maintenance technician. Kind of a big key task is I provide up-to-date records of building and equipment systems as well as conducting preventative maintenance to ensure the longevity of the property that I work for. Some KSAs are mechanical, building construction, repairing, troubleshooting, and problem sensitivity, work activities and behaviors, inspections of buildings, material and equipment, handling and moving objects, keeping up to date preventative maintenance on building systems and equipment, keeping track of expenses of the department. So my interactions with others are typically 80% internal, 20% external. Machines and equipment used, basic tool, hammer, screwdriver, power tools, electric and pneumatic. I also operate a tractor from time to time, and different electrical and plumbing equipment. Working conditions, 80% of my time is mostly standing. I'm typically walking most of the day, and depending on what's going on, it's in all types of weather. Very rarely do I just have a whole day in the office. And I work mostly with my hands. As for which method of job analysis I would use with these two examples, so the first example is a selection system for the job checkout clerk in a supermarket chain. I would use the observational method for this in order to be able to see which system works best for the job. This method would allow me to witness the process in action and be able to determine whether or not it is the most efficient method for performing the task. For the second example, performance appraisal system for the job of customer service representative at a cell phone company, I would use the interview method for this job analysis in order to minimize the amount of biased data collected as compared to a questionnaire method. So these are the thoughts and analysis that I have for the discussion board for week 2. And I look forward to seeing everyone else's post and learning from you guys online. So have a great week. Bye.